MacBook Pro, Word, how do you open this? Alright, what is this called? The phone? It's pretty cool. MacBook Pro on it. Power adapter, extender, MagSafe, graphic assist, pretty cool. VGA cable. Designed by Apple in California. Made by Chinese people. Everything Mac. Everything else. So it's got the install disk and thing to clean it. Great. Now the main event.
Ta-da!
Oh, wrong way. And here it is. Alright, here goes to the first startup. Here's fans. The light's turning on, this is good. Here it is. Let's see what happens. Famous Apple logo. Here it goes. See what happens here. Got the mouse. Alright. Use English for your main language, or should we use Chinese? What do you think? Let's try English this time. Welcome.
That's in every language.
The Spanish one just passed, you saw that?
It does that all the time?
No, just the first startup. Welcome. The country, United States. Okay, keyboard layout, US. Do you already own a Mac? Would you like to transfer from information to another Mac file? Transfer. What? Oh. Okay, now this is the wireless service we have. What is it, Netgear or Linksys? Netgear, right? Yeah. Get the wireless. Here, let's configuring for the wireless. Okay, now my Apple ID.
check your ID on your iPhone?
Yeah, I have to remember it on my notes. Okay, first name, Eric Merced, Crystal, Bay Lane, City, Orlando, 442. Oh, look, I already have everything on here. That's good. Wow, the keyboard feels really nice. Where will you primarily use this computer? Select home. What best describes what you like to do? Design, print. Oops. Okay, continue. Now, move it away from my password. Okay, creating the account now. Got the glossy screen. I don't know if I should have got matte or not, but take a snapshot.
I want to be in a picture with you.
This is just a default picture. We'll take a picture later. Okay, try iMovie for free. I don't want to try iMovie. Wait. Try that. Setting up. Okay, your Mac is set up and ready, so you can back up your computer, browse files of cover flow, email, chat, organize, using your computer and Mac almost time. Go. Here it is. And there it is. That's it. It's the setup. Thank you for watching.